Are you looking for the #1 AI video clipping tool that enables you to make one long video, 10 viral clips, and create 10x faster? So guys, the platform I'm going to show you, or the website I'm going to show you, is this platform called Opus Clip right here. Now guys, Opus Clip is a generative AI tool that reprocesses long talking videos into shorts in just one click. So right here guys, with just one click, you are able to generate videos right here by simply just dropping a video link, a Rumble link, a YouTube link right there, and you can easily get free clips for free, or you can easily just upload a file right there to get your clip. So you want to simply try this out. As you can see, lots of users, thousands of users actually make use of this particular platform right here. It is loved by 1 million plus creators right here, so you can easily post top quality shots daily to gain more views and fans, and accelerate your monetization right there and your growth in any social media platform. So we have AI magic tools. We have the AI creation, the AI virality score, the AI co-pilot, active speaker detection, AI dynamic layout, AI b-roll, AI emoji and keyword. So these are the AI magic tools that you can actually find in this particular platform right here. So guys, you want to easily make use of this particular platform called Opus Clip. As you can see, you need more powerful tools to help you grow in any social media platform. So guys, you want to easily just sign up for free, and once you do that, it's going to take you to a page like this. So once you're right here guys, all you want to simply do is to drop a Rumble link, a video link, a Zoom link right there. So I'm just going to put in a YouTube link right there. So once I'm simply just do this right here, I want to simply tap on get clips in one click. So once you simply do that, as you can see, it is fetching the video. This is the preferred clip length of 0 to 30 seconds. Estimated watching time is 8 minutes. Processing and analyzing 40%. You can safely leave this page, and we will send you an email notification once it is done right here. So you want to simply select your content type. We will fine tune our AI for you. So probably you want to simply just select your content type. I'm just going to leave this to be a marketing video right there. And once I do this, I'm just going to scroll down right here. As you can see, the learning center, the filter word remover. You can easily watch the tutorial to get an idea of how it actually works.
Do you know what's hiding in your business's data? Companies of all sizes use BigQuery to
So you can easily just watch the tutorial right there. So guys, once it is done right here, you're going to receive a notification in your email, on your email, that this is actually done processing. So you can easily just leave this page, and they will send you an email notification once it is done. As you can see, it is actually done right. As you can see, the master of the art of pancake making in 5 simple steps. As you can see now, this is our video right here. The video has a simple and straightforward hook that sets clear. So this is it right here. So I'm just going to scroll down. I can easily just edit wherever I do not want to write this by simply tapping on this option here that says edit clip. So I'm just going to tap on this edit option right here. So this is it. So as you can see right here guys, I can easily just edit the particular clip I do not want right here. I'm just going to remove them right here, but if I'm okay with it right here, I'm just going to leave it the way it is right here guys. And right here is my scene right here, my video clip. I can easily edit the scene layout right here, or I can drag to reframe. I can easily explore more features right here. I can add design right here to my scene, auto b-rolls, auto emojis, auto intro caption right here. I can easily just do that. So once I'm satisfied with this, I can easily just take this a bit. If I do not want it to be that much. So as you can see, I'm going to play this particular video. I'm just going to do this right here, making pancakes. Are you going to see that right there? So once you're done, you want to usually tap on save and complete right here, and it's going to save right into your device. So once you simply just do that, you are able to create YouTube videos with using this platform called the Opus Clip right here. So you want to simply just try this template out. You want to simply try out this AI tool right here. I want to simply save and complete this file. You can easily post it on a YouTube channel, any social media web platform right there. So this is how the Opus Clip actually works. So you can easily just create 10 videos using just one video. You can easily create viral clips, 10 different clips using just one long video. So guys, you want to simply try out this platform called opusclip.pro right here.